Welcome to my channel with love. Today in this video I like to introduce another interesting little package, the Picmondoo bird-themed mystery box, and this time I was so diligent that I not only unboxed the package but I also completed all the kits entirely so I can give you a proper review. So let's get started. Picmondoo has many different mystery boxes with various themes, and mine there is their newest bird-themed one. Each box contains 5 surprise kits, so it's not surprised that the first thing I pulled out of the box was a super colorful bird. More precisely, it's a pencil holder, or it can also be used as a tool holder. Let me open it and show you up close. You can open it here and the diamonds are inside. It has 3 different sized dividers inside. It's actually quite big. I imagined it smaller. If I had to guess, this was about a 20-minute project for me. The material is hard plastic, and here's a closer look at the design. It's clearly going to be super colorful in a vibrant, lively style, especially since the diamonds are round crystals with a few special shaped diamonds included. Here are the diamonds. The glue adhesion was perfectly fine as well, and this is how it looks when finished. Just as I said before, super colorful and vibrant. Now let me show you the size. As you can see, my diamond painting pen fits in very comfortably and there's still plenty of extra space. My next step will be to seal it with some protective glue or varnish so the diamonds won't fall off, especially if I use it for traveling. Now let's see the second surprise. Another little bird tent kit, this time a bookmark. This one probably takes about 20 minutes to complete as well. Let me show it up close. It comes with a small hanger with a hook at the end and a cute little sparkling charm. It's basically a decorative accessory. It's made of plastic. Okay, the bookmark design is also super colorful, full of bright, vibrant shades. The diamonds are round crystals again. I'll show you in a second. Only one side of the bookmark is meant to be decorated, but as you can see, the other side also has a printed pattern. And here are the diamonds. Quite a lot of colors for such a small design. This one doesn't include any special shaped diamonds. Great. And now let me show you how it looks when finished. As expected, it's super colorful. I'm especially happy about that right now. This dark, cold, wet February weather really gets to me. Maybe that's why I completed this entire mystery box in just 2 days. Here it is up close, and you can see I've attached a little hanger as well. Now let's move on to the next surprise. And this is a special kit. Personally, this was my favorite from the whole box. This is only the second time in my life I've seen something like this. I once managed to find a similar one in a box at the flea market. So these are little decorative kits. Let me explain. First, I'll open it. Inside there are 6 stick-like rods, 6 small plastic suction cups, and of course the designs to decorate. In our case, not surprisingly, they are birds, 6 of them. While I show you all 6 designs, I'll mention that the material is hard plastic and only one side is meant to be decorated. Once again, very colorful and vibrant patterns. Each one shows a little bird among flowers. At first glance, each one takes about 15-20 minutes to complete. Let me show you the diamonds, round crystals again, and quite a lot of them. Now, how do we assemble this? These sticks are meant to have a small rubber cap placed on the end. For extra grip, the package also includes 6 adhesive pads so they stick securely. Then you press the bird's design onto it, creating a little decorative stake. Let me show them finished. I imagine placing these in the flower pots on the terrace of our countryside house. I think all these vibrant colors will look great, especially since my plants still need some time before they start blooming again. I'm curious to see how they will look among the flowers. I definitely come back with a photo, but first I want to seal them with some protective varnish. Even though they'll be on the terrace and won't get direct rain, the sticks are made of wood, so in moist soil they would eventually rot. That's why I'm planning a bit of extra protection. Now let's look at the next surprise. It's a diamond painting notebook. This came at the perfect time for me because my old diamond painting notebook is already full. The design is once again a cute little bird. The pattern is simple, made with round crystal diamonds, but it also includes 3 special diamonds. I'll show you in a second. First, here's a closer look at the design. This was a 20-25 minute project. What I especially love is that the pages inside are blank, not lined, so you can write or draw in it. Here are the diamonds up close. The addition was good, of course, and ta-da! This is how it looks finished. I think it's cute, simple but sweet, full of bright colors. Since I'm actually going to use it, I need to seal it with protective glue, otherwise the diamonds and dust could be an issue. If I put it in my bag or carry it around, things can stick to it very quickly. I learned that from my previous notebook. Great. And now let's see the last surprise and the main one. It's a diamond painting canvas in Picmondoo's mystery boxes. Besides the many small colorful cute kits, there is always one mystery canvas included. I can't wait until they offer mystery diamond paintings separately in their shop, but until then there are plenty of boxes to choose from since they have many types. Okay, in this box we have a 20 by 30 centimeter canvas. Along with it come the basic tools, the tray, the pen, the multiplacer tip, the comfort grip for the pen, and 2 heart-shaped wax pieces. Let me open it. And this is how the kit looks. Here's the information sheet with symbols. They are black and white. That's not surprising since the whole point of Mr. Paintings is that you can see what the final result will look like. These are actually stickers which really help when preparing your kit. And here are the diamonds, quite a generous amount for such a small canvas, but that doesn't surprise me anymore. From my previous Picmondoo paintings, I've always had plenty of leftover diamonds. I've never run out of any color. These canvases have always been square diamonds and this one is no exception. I've already opened the diamond packs here. Based on the color distribution, blue and pink shades will dominate, and there are 3 special types of diamonds included: a dark pink fairy dust, a light blue sparkling AB, and a white fairy dust color. Now let me show you the canvas. I really love this cover sheet they use for mystery paintings. And it's not surprised that our design is a little bird. It looks quite simple, and I can say that it was. It may look like there are many confetti sections, but that wasn't really the case. I actually finished it in one evening. And ta-da, here is the final result. A cute and super colorful bird. One thing I forgot to mention earlier is that lately I've started preparing my kits in small sauce containers. They are very useful. I can easily pour the diamonds in and out, and if I only need 1 or 2 colors, I can simply take them out. They are not the prettiest storage containers, but they are very practical, and the stickers are easy to attach. Here I just wanted to show how many extra diamonds I had left. And now a closer look at the bird. The fairy dust colors are nicely distributed, and the blue AB beautifully highlights the shine of the feathers. The canvas itself is soft and high quality with nicely finished edges. The adhesion is perfect. The diamond cutting is also very good. There are few pieces to discard, but since there's such a generous surplus, there's no need to worry about running out of any color. I completed the entire set so you could see it with your own eyes and decide for yourself whether you like what you see. If you do, you can find the product link in the video description, and if you use the code BB, you will receive a 20% discount from Picmondoo. This was my second mystery box, and since I love these sparkly little kits and mystery paintings, I'll definitely try to get more of them. So if you don't want to miss out, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a lovely day. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. It was Briggy. Bye!